Are you tired of feeling like you're carrying around a bag of bricks in your belly? Ever wonder if there's a secret organ that holds the key to unlocking your best self? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're diving deep into the world of the liver, your body's unsung hero. We'll uncover how this magical organ can make or break your health. And guess what? We've got a super simple, delicious drink that can help you kick that liver into high gear. So, if you're ready to feel lighter, brighter, and oh so right, stick around. But before we go ahead, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our life-changing health tips. The liver, an unsung hero. Let's discuss the basics first. The liver is one of the most important organs in the body, yet it often doesn't get the attention it deserves. It plays a crucial role in a variety of functions that are vital for maintaining good health. One of its primary roles is in digestion. The liver produces bile, a substance that helps break down fats in the food we eat. This is essential for the absorption of nutrients and the elimination of waste products. Another key function of the liver is detoxification. Every day, our bodies are exposed to a range of toxins, from the food we eat to the air we breathe. The liver acts as a filter, breaking down these toxins into less harmful substances that can be safely excreted from the body. This detoxification process is vital for overall health and well-being. The liver is also instrumental in hormone regulation. It metabolizes hormones like estrogen and testosterone, ensuring that their levels are balanced. This is crucial for both men and women, as hormonal imbalances can lead to a variety of health issues, including mood swings, weight gain, and even more serious conditions like polycystic ovarian syndrome, PCOS, in women. However, the liver's ability to perform these functions can be severely compromised if it becomes fatty. A fatty liver is often the result of poor diet, lack of exercise, and sometimes genetic predisposition. When the liver accumulates fat, it becomes less efficient at producing bile, detoxifying the body, and regulating hormones. This can lead to a host of health problems, including digestive issues, increased toxicity, and hormonal imbalances. The science of bile. Bile is a yellow-green fluid produced by the liver and stored in the gallbladder. It plays a pivotal role in the digestion of fats. When you eat a meal that contains fats, the gallbladder releases bile into the small intestine. The bile emulsifies the fats, breaking them down into smaller particles that can be easily digested and absorbed by the body. But bile does more than just aid in fat digestion. It's also essential for the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K. These vitamins are crucial for a variety of bodily functions. Vitamin A is essential for vision and immune function. Vitamin D is important for bone health. Vitamin E acts as an antioxidant, and vitamin K is necessary for blood clotting. Without sufficient bile, the body can't absorb these vitamins effectively, leading to deficiencies and associated health issues. Symptoms of a fatty liver. A fatty liver often doesn't present obvious symptoms, making it easy to overlook. However, there are subtle signs that can indicate a problem. One common symptom is bloating, especially after meals. This is due to the liver's reduced ability to produce enough bile for digestion. Indigestion and a feeling of fullness can also be signs of a fatty liver. Another symptom that people may experience is shoulder pain, specifically on the right side. This is because a fatty liver can become enlarged and put pressure on surrounding areas, including the shoulder. While these symptoms may seem unrelated to liver health, they can be indicative of a fatty liver and should not be ignored. The thyroid connection. The liver and the thyroid gland share a symbiotic relationship that is crucial for maintaining hormonal balance and metabolic health. The thyroid gland produces two main hormones, thyroxine, T4, and triiodothyronine, T3. While T4 is the more abundant hormone, T3 is the more active form. The liver plays a vital role in converting T4 into T3, which is essential for regulating metabolism, energy production, and many other bodily functions. A poorly functioning liver can hinder this conversion process. When the liver is fatty or compromised, it may not effectively convert T4 to T3, leading to an imbalance in thyroid hormones. This can result in symptoms commonly associated with hypothyroidism, such as fatigue, weight gain, and sensitivity to cold. Therefore, maintaining liver health is not just about the liver itself, but also about ensuring the proper functioning of other systems, like the thyroid. The hormone buffer. The liver also serves as a regulator for sex hormones, including estrogen and testosterone. It metabolizes these hormones to maintain a balanced level in the bloodstream. For example, the liver converts excess estrogen into a water-soluble form that can be easily excreted from the body. Similarly, it helps in the breakdown and distribution of testosterone. A fatty liver can disrupt these processes. When the liver is not functioning optimally, it may not effectively metabolize these hormones, leading to imbalances. In women, this can manifest as irregular menstrual cycles, mood swings, and fertility issues. In men, elevated estrogen levels can lead to decreased muscle mass and increased body fat. Therefore, a fatty liver can have far-reaching implications on hormonal health, affecting both men and women in various ways. The importance of diet. Diet plays a significant role in liver health and, by extension, hormonal balance. Two dietary approaches have shown promise in reducing liver fat: the ketogenic diet and intermittent fasting. The ketogenic diet is a high-fat, low-carbohydrate diet that encourages the body to burn fat for energy. This can be particularly beneficial for reducing liver fat. A study published in the Journal of Hepatology found that a ketogenic diet led to significant reductions in liver fat within just 6 days. Intermittent fasting, another dietary approach, involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting. This method has also shown promise in reducing liver fat. A study in the World Journal of Gastroenterology found that intermittent fasting led to a significant reduction in liver fat in as little as 14 days. Both of these dietary approaches not only help in reducing liver fat, but also aid in hormonal balance by improving liver function. Improved liver function means better metabolism of thyroid hormones and sex hormones, leading to overall better health. The magical drink. Now, let's come to the star of the show. This drink is a blend of 3 powerful ingredients: kale, blueberries, and kefir. Each of these ingredients is not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients that have been scientifically proven to benefit liver health. Let's start with kale. This leafy green is a nutritional powerhouse, rich in vitamins A, C, and K. But what makes it particularly beneficial for the liver is a compound called quercetin. Quercetin is a flavonoid that has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It helps to protect liver cells from damage and can even aid in the detoxification process. Next, we have blueberries. These tiny berries are more than just a tasty fruit. They are rich in antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which give them their deep blue color. Like kale, blueberries also contain quercetin. The combination of antioxidants and quercetin in blueberries can help reduce inflammation in the liver and improve its function. Last but not least, we have kefir. Kefir is a fermented dairy product that is rich in probiotics and essential nutrients like vitamins B and calcium. The probiotics in kefir can help balance the gut microbiota, which is closely linked to liver health. A balanced gut can aid in detoxification and reduce the burden on the liver. Now that we know the benefits of each ingredient, let's get into how to make this liver-supporting drink. Ingredients: 1 cup of kale leaves, washed and stems removed. 1 cup of blueberries, fresh or frozen. 1 cup of kefir, plain unsweetened. Optional, a teaspoon of honey or stevia for sweetness. Instructions: 1. Preparation. Start by washing the kale leaves thoroughly and removing the stems. If you're using fresh blueberries, wash them as well. 2. Blending. Place the kale leaves and blueberries in a blender. 3. Add kefir. Pour in 1 cup of kefir into the blender. If you prefer a sweeter taste, you can also add a teaspoon of honey or stevia at this point. 4. Blend. Blend all the ingredients on high speed until smooth. You may need to stop and scrape down the sides to ensure everything is well blended. 5. Taste test. Take a small sip to see if the sweetness is to your liking. If not, You can add more sweetener and blend again. 6. Serve. Once you're satisfied with the taste, pour the drink into a glass and enjoy immediately for maximum freshness and nutrient content. And there you have it. We've explored the liver's superhero powers, from digestion to detoxification and even hormone regulation. We've also learned about the symptoms to watch out for and how to give your liver the love it deserves. But the cherry on top? That scrumptious, liver-loving drink that's as easy to make as 1, 2, 3. So why not give it a try? Your liver will thank you, and trust me, you'll feel the difference.